Hi everyone, I'm Harika Manikam and my metric number is 822800198. I'm too excited to share with you something interesting about Evergreen Bakes and Supplies Indian Berhad. So let's begin with the introduction. In today's fast-paced market, launching a business requires not only creativity and commitment, but also strong financial and mathematical planning. This project simulates the process of starting a company, Evergreen Bakes and Supplies Sanjan Berhad, which produce and sells bakery goods and baking supplies by applying core business mathematics concepts such as payroll calculation, simple and compound interest, depreciation, budgeting, and loan financing. The main objectives are to help students apply these mathematical ideas in real business scenarios for better financial decision making and to develop essential skills in payroll reporting and resource management. By linking textbook knowledge with real world practices, this project enhance our problem solving, financial planning, and critical thinking skills in preparation for future business challenges. Company profile. The company I would like to introduce is Evergreen Bakes and Supplies in Berhad, located at number 36 Jalan Dato Sri, Taman Maju, 70400 Seremban, Negeri Sembilan. It was established on 3rd April 2023 and is owned by Che Aina Farhana. This company is involved in the manufacturing and retail of bakery products and baking supplies, catering to both home bakers and commercial businesses. The brand is represented by a unique and memorable logo that reflects freshness, quality, and reliability in every product offer. Question 1. The payroll report for Evergreen Bakes and Supplies Central Berhad dated June 30, 2025 for the payroll week ending May 9, 2025 summarizes the earnings of 10 employees across various departments to different compensation methods including hourly wages, overtime, commissions, and piecework. Each employee's hourly rate varies, forming the base of their regular pay, while overtime is paid at 1.5 times the hourly rate for hours exceeding the standard. For example, Vigneswaran Analalaki Krishnan earned Rm 78.75 in overtime for 5 extra hours at Rm 10.50 per hour. Commission earnings awarded to boost sales performance are recorded directly. For instance, Tan Meining received Rm 500 and Natasha Huda binti Zainal received Rm 650. In production roles such as Vigneswaran's piecework earnings are calculated based on output, with him earning Rm 700 for 350 units at Rm 2 each. The total gross pay for each employee is the sum of all components, which is regular pay, overtime, commission, and piecework, and the overall gross payroll for the week amounts to Rm 6,502 and 55 cents. This comprehensive format highlights the company's commitment to accurate, transparent, and fair payroll practices.
Good day everyone, my name is Shani Saravanan. My metric number is 822A0017EP. I will be presenting the business startup financing part for our group assignment. This session will cover the source of our capital interest calculations, asset depreciations, and invoice payment analysis for Evergreen Bakes and Supplies Sandran Berhad. We plan to start the business with a total of Rm 16,000. This includes Rm 25,000 from our own saving, Rm 20,000 from relative loan, and Rm 50,000 from a bank loan. Here is the breakdown of interest for each financing source. The loan from the relatives use simple interest while the bank loan is compound every 2 months over 7 years. The relative loan interest is calculated using the simple interest formula I equals P times R times T that gives us Rm800 in interest. For the bank loan, we use compound interest formula which result in a future value of Rm 18,560 ringgit 98 cents. Promissory note. To formalize the loan from our relatives, we prepare a promissory note starting that we will repay Rm 20,800 in including interest by April 2025. Furthermore, machinery list and cost says next we listed the major machines needed to start the business such as an industrial oven, spiral mixers and chiller cabinet. The total cost is Rm 30,000. Depreciations. Declining balance, we use the declining balance to method to calculate machinery depreciation. For example, the industrial oven depreciates 20% early. As you can see, the value reduced year by year. Depreciations. SYD method. Alternatively, we also apply the sum of year digits method which give different depreciation values each year based on the remaining life of the machines. Lastly, we analyze supplier invoice term. If we pay within 7 days, we get a 7% discount and only need to pay 27,900 instead of Rm 30,000. This helps us save money early on. In conclusion, understanding interest, depreciations and invoice terms is important in managing startup finance. Thank you for listening to my part of the presentations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Munir bin Cik Ibrahim, number of matric A22S0037EP. So, for loan amortization in question 4, our company has loaned an amount of the Rm 50k from bank ABC. This loan need to be amortized in 20 months at 2.5% compound monthly. Based on this slide, we are obtain an amount of the payment need to be done from this loan by using this formula. From this formula, P is referent to the amount of loan, I is referent to the 25% interest rate that in dividend by 20 months that we are get 0.002083. Thus, the amount that our company need to pay is Rm 1,266.99 per month to bank ABC for 20 months, which an interest rate 2.5%. Okay, next slide. This is amortization schedules for the loan from the bank ABC for 20 months. So just fill out monthly payment column based on calculator that we did before. For interest pay column, we will be using the formula I equal P times R times T. P is referent to beginning balance for each month. R referent to interest rate dividend by 20, which is 0.002083, and T is equal to 1. So when beginning balance of loan for each month reduce, the interest pay also show decrease amount. That for participant pay column, the value that we are get is from the value is monthly payment minus interest pay value for each month. So it will different for each month because of different value is interest pay. Okay, next for the ending balance column, the amount that we are get is from the value of the beginning balance minus participant pay. So the last month show the negative 0.03, which mean the complete payment of the loan. Plus for the beginning balance, we are just carry forward the value of the ending balance from the month before, and net for the total column, we just need to add up the amount before which the present value of each month. Finally, the total participant pay for the last month will show the similar amount which the total amount of the loan. The slight difference in value is because we are only used two decimal places from the currency.
Conclusion. This assignment provided a valuable hands-on experience in applying business mathematics to real-life scenarios through the creation of evergreen bids and supply central graph. It covers key areas such as payroll calculation, loan interest, depreciation, invoice terms, and loan amortization, proving how crucial mathematics concepts are in daily business decision making. Tasks like generating payroll reports enhance accuracy and accountability, while financial calculation improve our understanding how small changes in rates or terms affect business outcomes. Overall, these projects strengthen our analytical, financial, and entrepreneurial skills, making it a meaningful preparation for both future studies and real world business challenges. Thank you.